In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on Temu, Australia. If you're new to online shopping on Temu, don't worry because the process is quite simple. Once you know where everything is, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace and complete your order with confidence. To get started, open your web browser and go to tmu.com/au. Once the site loads, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account if you don't already have one. You can sign up using your email address, or if you prefer a faster option, you can continue with your Google account. Just choose the method that works best for you and complete the sign up process on screen. Make sure you're entering an email you can access, since online stores often use it for order confirmations and updates. After your account is ready, head to the main search bar at the top of the website. This is where you can look for the items you want to buy. Type in the name of the product you're interested in, then browse through the results. Take your time here so you can compare different options, prices, and product listings. This helps you make sure you're choosing the right item before moving forward. Once you've found a product you want, select it and add it to your shopping cart. If you're buying more than one item, repeat the same process by searching again and adding each selected product to the cart. It's a good idea to quickly review your cart before checking out, just to make sure everything you want is included. When you're ready to place the order, click the checkout button. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter your full Australian mailing address. Be careful when filling this out, since your delivery details need to be accurate for the package to arrive correctly. Double check the street address, suburb, state, and postcode before continuing. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Temu Australia allows several common options, including credit card, PayPal, and Afterpay. Pick the one that suits you best, then enter the required payment details through the secure checkout page. Finally, submit your order. After that, you should receive a confirmation showing that your purchase has gone through successfully. And that's it. You've completed your Temu Australia order from start to finish.